Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil on the behalf of Power Data Analytics. Today we are going to see Sheet Switcher. Let's quickly see what is the description of this. While creating executive summary view, we have to be very mindful about our dashboard space utilization. Hence, Sheet Switcher helps you to manage the dashboard space and allow you to show multiple sheets at the same place as per the need, and other sheet will be hidden. It means whatever the sheet name you will be selecting, you will be able to see that particular visual and the other sheets will be hidden. What all are the functionality we will be using to accomplish this task? Parameters, calculated field, filters, dashboard, container, text box, views, which means different sheets. Data source, I have used Tableau provided sample superstore data. So while practicing, you can use that data only. Let's quickly see. I have already created 4 different visualization like sales trend across all the segments, sales with profit, states with profit, relationship in profit and quantity, and the last one is detailed table. Let's see how exactly we can see the example of sheet switcher. First of all, I will create a parameter and let's say I will give the name sheet selection. And again, this is all up to you what name you want to give. Data type will be string and I will create a list so that I can give the option to user so that if they can select any of the sheet from the parameter and accordingly they will be able to see the visual. I have already created all the names in Notepad so that I can copy from here, or you can quickly type it. Okay, we have an option paste from clipboard. We can do it from here. We'll say okay. Once this parameter is created, we can create a calculated field called sheet feature and we can simply pass the parameter here. Say okay. Now what you have to do, the third step, first step you have to create a parameter. Second step you have to create a calculated field where you have to simply pass the parameter. Third step is you have to go individual sheet, show parameter control and see the same sheet name is being selected from the parameter. Now you can drag the sheet switcher into the filters, say okay. Similar activity you will perform in all the sheets. Again, show parameter control and select state with profit in the parameter in this particular field. While dragging into filters, you will see the same name. But again, do remember this. First of all, you have to select the name of this particular sheet from the parameter. So I have dragged here, and again I am giving here select. Okay. And I will do the same step for all. Detail table, and I will say okay. So now my sheets are ready. Now what next? I will create a dashboard and let's say I'm gonna give the name to this is sheet. What you have to do, you have to select floating and drag a container, no matter horizontal or vertical, choice is yours. I am giving enough space to this. Okay, now what you have to do is by holding shift key, as you can see, hold down shift to draw floating object. By holding shift key, you will keep on dragging all your sheet one by one here only. Okay, and right click on the title and say hide title. Make sure your all the titles are hidden now. No worry about the title, we'll make it dynamic. By default, whatever you will be tracking, everything will be coming here. So, but we need this parameter. Now we'll say floating. So just to show you. Now once you will select Sales trend across, you can see this. Sales with profit, you can see this. Relationship profit and quantity, you can see like this. So whatever the selection you will do, you will be able to see this. Now it come to the title. How we can get the title now? So no worry, just by holding shift key, drag the text box here and pass this parameter here, seed selection. Let's make little bit bold title, centralize, and let's make the color formatted. Whatever you will select. Okay, title is going down, no problem. Sales with profit, relationship in profit, and quickly I will do more formatting to make it more impactful. So after doing the formatting, we can see this output. Now we can select. That's how we can do the sheet switcher. Thank you.